Bank's earnings as well. We just got them a while ago and the stock has moved up. It is, one of the top gainers on the Nifty as well, seeing a near 3% rise. So Abhishek is here to take us through the details. Abhishek, some good, some bad here.
Mixed set of numbers that have come in. However, the key thing to note in their presentation is that they have mentioned there is deposit challenge. If you take a look at the CASA ratio of 47.7% is perhaps the lowest that you are seeing in last 6 years or 24 quarters versus 48.3% in the previous quarter. Now, the loan growth has also come in below analyst estimate. YOY, the loan growth is about 15.7% and sequentially it's at 3.25%. Motilal Oswal was pegging a loan growth of 16.6% YOY and about 4% sequentially. Loan growth was led by CVC, that is commercial vehicle construction equipment segment, tractors, small business, personal loan and credit card as well, which are the unsecured book. Now, deposit growth was pretty weak, 15.6% YOY and just about 1.9% sequentially. Motilal Oswal was pegging deposit growth at 20.5% YOY and about 3.5% sequentially. So there is a miss on both deposit growth and loan growth by the bank versus analyst estimate. Now, slippages were below analyst estimate. Now, 1,177 crore is where the slippages have come in. One of the analysts was estimating a 1,300 crore of slippages in this quarter. Gross NPA is up 3.5% in absolute value. Restructured book has declined to 0.13 of the loan book versus 0.15% in the previous quarter. In subsidiary profits, life insurance subsidiary profit that's down about 57.6% YOY and more than 43% sequentially. Even Kotak Securities PAT is down about 5.5% on a sequential basis. In terms of return on asset for the bank, it's come in at 2.2%, which is the lowest that you are seeing in last 6 quarters. And the PNL versus poll, the profits were their NII was higher than our poll. However, profits came in below our poll. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, thanks a lot for breaking down all of those numbers for us and telling us how Kotak Mahindra Bank's third quarter earnings have been. By the way, some of the other banks, in addition to Kotak, have also moved to the high point of the day. So ICICI Bank has recovered 1.5% from the lows of the day. It is also one of the top gainers on the Nifty. HDFC Bank also holding with an 0.8% gain as well. So that is the banking pack. We'll get into a short break now, but on the other side, we're going to get you a very interesting dive into some data on the government stake in PSU. So stay tuned for that. This space has been all the talk. We'll get you the details.